the blockchain or cryptocurrency. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world right now, and is gaining popularity on a daily basis. I just opened my wallet today and I realized the value of Ethereum has increased so rapidly. So that's the amazing benefit of being in a project like Forsage. When you get to earn your Ethereum, in the next couple of months, you may just see your Ethereum appreciating in value up to 100 or 200 or 300%, right? So you really can't wait any moment. You just want to start with just $15. You can get your place in the Forsage project, and you just can't know how far that will take you. Now, for you to join the Forsage project, one of the things you need to have is a cryptocurrency wallet. And for this project particularly, it basically supports 3 different wallets. We have the Trust Wallet, the MetaMask, and the Token Pocket. You need the Trust Wallet for your Android phones. If you're using an iPhone, you may want to go with Token Pockets. Then if you're using a PC to connect to the project, you need to have the MetaMask installed. So when that has happened, then you're good to go. So you form your wallet with just about 0.05 ETH. That is enough amount of Ethereum to register you on the project. Now, how does the Forsage project work? The Forsage project has 2 programs in it. We have the Forsage X3 and the Forsage X4. And I'm just going to explain how each of these programs works. Now, each of these programs has about 12 slots each. In the Forsage X3, you have slot 1 to 12. In the Forsage X4, slot 1 to 12 as well. Now, the next slot is always ×2 of the previous one. So what that means, if you're in slot level 1 in X3, level 2 is going to be ×2 of what you used to purchase level 1. Level 3 ×2 of the one you used to purchase level 2, and so on and so forth. So you may want to ask, must I always start with $15? No, you can start with as many slots as you can. As many slots as you can. In fact, leaders, like as you heard on the video, leaders usually start from 3 to 6 slots. So as many as you can, but don't be under pressure. Just go one step at a time. But if you can start big, you start big, right? So let's go into this very proper. This is Forsage X3. How does it work? Forsage X3, I usually refer to it as the affiliate part of the Forsage project. This is where you get to invite people to join the project, and you get to receive 100% commission into your personal wallet. 100%. Yes, you heard that right. There's a lot of affiliate projects all over the world, be it on the cryptocurrency or your regular businesses. You know, when you refer someone to the project, they're going to pay you a commission. Some pays you 30%, some pays you 40%, some 50%. You know, I haven't seen anyone that pays 100% commission just for referring someone to join the business. The reason why these projects can be able to pay you 100% is because it is 100% decentralized. Nobody is being paid to monitor the site. Everything is launched on the Ethereum blockchain, and it operates itself automatically. So you don't need any funds for site maintenance, you know, to monitor anything, pay stars and all of that. So that makes it so beautiful for all the participants that each person you refer to the project, you get 100% into your private wallet. Now, this is Forsage X3. This is you taking your place in level 1 in Forsage X3. Below you are 3 slots, slot 1, 2, 3. So how are the people you bring being distributed on the Forsage X3? When you refer the first partner to join you into the Forsage project, the first partner takes a place in slot 1. Slot 1. And guess what happened? 100% of the income goes to your private wallet. In this case, 0.025 goes into your wallet instantly. So when you go ahead to refer another partner, and it takes a place under you in slot 2, 100% of that payment as well goes into your private wallet. 100%. As a matter of fact, if you're able to get 2 people to join you in the Forsage project, you have already earned enough income to buy the next level. Yes, so it's that easy. You can start with just $15, 0.05 ETH, get 2 partners to join you. That is already enough Ethereum to buy you the next level. But what happens when you want to fill the third slots and you get the last partner, the third partner to join you, and you fill the third slot? What happens is the payment goes to your upline or your sponsor in the form of reinvestment. So let me explain what that happens. So you basically have just 3 cycles, 3 slots under you in each level in Forsage X3. When you bring in 3 partners, they fill the whole slots. So it is locked, it's closed. You may not be able to earn any income again on this level. But the way the Forsage project is designed is so fantastic. So this reinvestment of the last slot is an automatic system. You don't need to go and click for reinvestment. The reinvestment happens automatically. And when that happens, it opens the slot once more. You can see from the right hand of your screen, and then keeps it empty for you to start receiving income once again. So once you get a third partner to join you in the Forsage project, it reinvests you on Forsage X3 and open the slot again, and you can keep gaining income from that same level once more. So similarly, this works the same way in Forsage X3 level 1, X level 2, and level 3, and so forth and so on. Most people usually get confused when they see 3 slots under each level in Forsage X3, and they say, okay, is it the minimum, the maximum number of people you need to refer to the project? No, not at all, not at all. The 3 may be the minimum, but actually not the maximum. You can refer as many people as you can to join you in the Forsage project. The more people actually you refer to the project, the more income you get into your private wallet. So let's move quickly to Forsage X4. How does the Forsage X4 work? In the Forsage X4, we refer to this as the team building part of the Forsage project. In Forsage X4, below you are 2 parallel lines. In line 1, you have slot 1 and 2. In line 2, you have slot 3, 4, 5, 6. So how are the payments distributed in the Forsage X4? In line 1, in Forsage X4, the first slot, anytime the first slot is being filled, the payments always go to your upline or your sponsor. Please, you need to pay attention to this. This is where it's a bit technical for a lot of people. Most times they don't know how to explain to other people, or they don't even know how they are getting paid in Forsage X4. So you will always have slot 1 and 2 on the first line, and slot 3, 4, 5 on the second line. Slot 1 and 2 basically must be filled, and the payment goes to the upline. And when we say the payment going to the upline, it doesn't necessarily mean the payment goes to your direct sponsor. It may be your upline or the top upline up, so the system just chooses how it arranges the payments in Forsage X4. It's an algorithm arrangement. It's not under any human control. But what you'll just be looking out for is the slot 1 and 2 being filled. So the moment slot 1 and 2 is already filled up, you are ready to receive income. So what happens when slot 3 gets filled? When slot 3 gets filled, the income goes into your private wallet, slot 5 into your private wallet, slot 4 into your private wallet, and you just be left with slot 6, the last slot left. Now look at this again. When a partner is placed under you in slot 6, this time, the payment goes up once more to your upline in form of reinvestment. So you can simply say in the Forsage X4 project, 3, you buy the purchase once and you get paid 3 times per cycling. Each time the level cycles, 3 payment comes into your private wallet. The first 2 goes to the upline. The last 3, 4, 5 comes to you, and slot 6 goes up again to the upline in form of reinvestment. So what does the reinvestment do in Forsage X4? The same thing that it does in Forsage X3. It opens up the whole slot again, and you start another cycle once more. So with this amazing Forsage arrangement, it means you can earn unlimited times in each level in any of the programs, be it Forsage X3 or Forsage X4. The reinvestment plan makes it beautiful for partners of the project to earn unlimited times by just purchasing a slot once. In fact, there's other projects out there that when you connect to them and you purchase a level, they give you a maximum time that the level is valid. If you stay longer than that particular time in a particular level, you may not be able to earn in from that level anymore. But in Forsage, this is different. This is different. There is a limited amount of time that you can earn from any level. So you buy every level once and you earn unlimited times. And guess what? They don't burn out. They don't expire. So you can earn again and again and again, over and over again. Now, like I said before, some people think you must always start from level 1. Well, you can't jump from 1 to buy 2 or 3. You always move, sequentially from 1 to 3. But you can open all the 3 slots in one day. You can open all the 6 slots in one day. All your choice. All your choice. Remember, in the Forsage X4 project, the people that are arranged to pay you may not necessarily be the people you refer. So if you're a type of person who is not so good in referring people to the project, all you may just need to do is to get most slots in Forsage X4. If you get most slots in Forsage X4, you get to be placed by the system. Other partners all over the world that are joining the project are being arranged to pay you in Forsage X4. But if you refer people as well, those people will pay you in Forsage X3 and as well pay you in Forsage X4. So the Forsage X4 is a very fantastic program in the Forsage project. It makes it easy for everybody, everybody to be able to earn from this project. So this is basically how the system works. This is how you earn money from the 2 programs in Forsage. So what I'm going to do now, I'll just share a screen to show you how you can activate. So if you're asking a question, okay, I get this understanding, and I want to join it now. How do I start? What do I need to start? So all you need to start is to have any of those wallets installed on your phone or your PC, and you're good to go. So hold on just 1 minute. I'll just share my screen with you and show you what the wallet looks like. Yes. Okay, so you need to have either the Trust Wallet or Token Pocket on your mobile phones. But if you're going to use a PC, you may have to download and install the MetaMask wallet. So when that is done, the next thing you need to do is to fund the wallet. We usually advise you fund it with just a little above 0.05 ETH, maybe 0.06. Because you'll be charged a transaction fee, a gas fee. So when you fund it, then you come down here, you're going to see this icon. That's the dApps browser. You click on it, it will take you to a page asking you to type in whatever you want to type in. But in this case, you type in the Forsage website, forsage.io. When you do that, it takes you to the website, right down to the website. And you're going to see something like this, join now. You click on join now. It will take you to another page asking you to put the ID of your inviter. So you see a space like this. All you need to do is to put the ID of your inviter. Please, when writing in this ID, you need to cross-check to be sure it is the correct ID with your sponsor, the person that invited you, so you don't make mistakes. So when that is done, you click on automatic registration. It's going to take you right to your private wallet once more. for payment. So when that happens, if you have the number of Ethereum in your wallet that is enough to register you, you will see this icon shows up and you just click approve, and that is all. That's basically all you need to take your place in the Forsage project. Thank you guys. That is basically what I can explain for you for now. If you still want to know more about how the system works, all your questions are answered in the Forsage website, forsage.io. You can simply type there and scroll down to the FAQs, and you see all the questions answered. So I'm just going to leave you guys to Mr. Ronit to say a bit